Cool.
And there's only girl Shopkins in here. And first I got all the boys, and then now I got more girls than the boys.
So let's open them.
And we are gonna open it now. And this is my dog.
What's his name?
Ollie. And we are gonna open this red one that I just have right now. We have a hat. We have this one.
What's that one's name?
This Shopkin. Let's find this. Her name, and let's find her. Let's find her. Where is she? So, if you see it, say you can see it. Don't do that.
What's in the blue one?
Oh, I found it.
Right there?
Oh, what is it?
Perfect.
And so
What's the name?
this one, and her name is...
Good job, brother.
Tony Topper.
Tony Topper, and she is rare.
Cool.
Tony Topper
How do you know she's rare?
Because if it's fooled in, it's rare.
Oh, cool.
Rare. So this one's
Rare.
rare.
Awesome.
This one's really rare. And so here's one. And this is one. And let's see. Let's open this. Oh, this one's not a ball. This one's not really a ball. This one is a mountain ball. Aww.
Open it up. See what's inside.
Let's make it a ball first. There we go. That's a ball. Well, crumbly. Yeah, and let's open it.
What's in it?
I don't think. So
Nothing in that one.
Here is a nothing Shopkin.
Try a different one.
And so here is another one. That was funny. I don't know why they put one in that one. What's that? And so we got another yellow one. And we're supposed to get the ones that is in here. It's here. And let's okay. Let's open it. And I think it is a rare one. Probably, I don't know. It's not. And I don't actually puppy. Cute puppy. He's cute. And this part is not supposed to be yellow. It's supposed to be white. That's how they made it.
Yeah.
But there is Play-doh on it.
Watch. Here's what you do. Stick it to the Play-doh, and then off it comes, right? Try that. Oh, didn't work. It's weird. I don't know why it's sticking.
Okay. And so here is another one, and I'll show you it very close. The two ones that we had. And this one. We need to find the one that's here. If you see it. You see it?
I don't see it yet. What's in it? Sugar. It says sugar on it.
Huh?
It says sugar.
Where? Where is it?
I don't know. I didn't see it.
And this one is a rare one, but we can't find it. If it's broccoli, it's rare. But stop it.
It's sugar. I don't know what its name is, but it's sugar.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think it's named Sugar. Or yeah. But and her name is
Tony Topper.
Tony Popper?
Topper.
Topper? So Tony Topper.
Mm-hmm.
And she has a bow. See right here. Tiny bow. And here's my cute puppy! Ah! Gonna eat him. Yummy. And I need to set them up. So here's Tony Topper and Sugar. That was the other one that I was gonna do. So this one whole minute. 1 minute. I told you it was. It is the baby. Here's my baby. And let's open this. And let's open it. So it's a yellow. And so here is one that you can see, and here it is. Stop. So take it off. Okay, got it?
Yeah, I think so.
And so here it is.
Ooh, it's a fan.
And it has an S on it,
A fan with an S.
but it falls down on its face.
Oh, look.
It's not working.
Blow Ann.
Huh?
Blow Ann.
That's not it. Oh yeah, Blow Ann. And so she is not rare, and her name's Blow Ann. Blow Ann. Ah. And Blow Ann. We're gonna have a next one. And here is a blue one. And let's open it now. Ooh, this is the same color as this one. Look.
Cool.
Look what color she is. Look what color she is.
Oh, orange.
That's not orange.
Oh,
It's
it is.
dark blue.
Blue.
So
That's what
it's dark blue,
Mhm.
and this is dark blue. So I don't know what happened, but I don't know what they did. They just did this, and I don't know. And let's show you it.
I think
Here
I
it
ran out of
is.
battery.
Here it is. I'll show you.
Yeah, more than one.
And so where is she?
Let's see. She might be.
Oh.
I don't see it.
I think her name is Nothing.
Nothing. It might be on a different.
Yeah, the ones that are not on there, they are mystery. No, they don't know. And so this is a blue one. And let's show you. Let's open it. Is it cakey? Or is it whitey cakey? White cake.
Oh, yeah.
It's white cake.
Yeah, that one is.
I don't know. I don't know her name. I saw her on one of.
Cheesecake. That's what this one is. A cheesecake.
I know. And
Maybe
so
we shouldn't put these in the Play-doh. They're getting stuck.
I know. And And so, and this is her name. I saw it on a flyer before, but it's not on this flyer.
Okay.
So, and her name is White Cake.
White cake?
Named White Cake. And let's show you. Let's show you.
Okay. I'm going to start helping you open these, okay? Is that okay? Can I help you?
Yeah. And here's the orange one. You can open one? Yes. Here. Sit. Here. Ethan, get a chair. That chair right there. Sit next to us. And so here is another cake, and it's lemon lime. I saw it on a flyer before, but it's not on this flyer, so her name's Lemon Lime.
Lime, and what's this one?
Donutty.
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 Donutty?
Delicious.
Donutty delicious. I like it.
And I'll open one as well.
Okay. Go ahead. Pick it out.
And here is my favorite Play-doh, as you can see. As you can see, there is a... It is... I know it's another lemon. That's not a lemon.
What's this one?
That,
a pig in a blanket?
that's
Is that a pig in
baby
a blanket?
cabbage. A baby cabbage. Show them the baby cabbage. So that's a baby. That's the taco. That's the taco, and it's wrapped. And this is the lemon, and her name is Lemony Coddy. I saw it on one. Here, so Ethan, can you go get that?
Yeah, give me the...
Yes,
She
I
dropped
will.
one. You got it? Thank
Yes, and we also have a raspberry. I have a raspberry. And her name is Raspberry Rose. Yep. We saw it on the flyer. Oh, okay. I think that happened. And her name is Raspberry Rose. Now we'll open a yellow one.
Keep opening
Let's
them.
see what it is. And so here's a white one. And it's a salty bottle. Her name is Salty Salt. Salty Bottle Salty. Right here, as you can see. And her name is Cakey Kentucky.
Oh, do you know what this one is?
Yeah, her name is Telephone Ted. Telephone Ted. No, Telephone Rosie Kentalozzi.
How do you know this is a telephone? Does this look like a telephone that we have?
No.
Why do you think this in the 80s?
Everything's in the 80s.
Oh, I see. Okay, cool.
Play-doh.
That was back from the 80s. All right.
We have
When were the dinosaurs? Were the dinosaurs before that?
Yeah, when were the dinosaurs?
little
Were those in the 70s?
red smoothie. And her name and her name Rosie Red.
Rosie the Red.
Rosie the
Red.
Red.
Red Rosie, Red Rosie.
And now we'll open another one.
Pocket full of food.
Ooh.
Oh, here's one. Oops.
Look, you have to put them up here.
Here's
you need
one.
to decorate the house.
What's this one?
That
Isabel?
is Toasty Toast. Toasty Toast Toast Toast.
Toasty the
And-
toaster.
Toasty toast toast toast.
And this one is let me. I need to do this one. This is really. And so her name is Shiny into Liney's. And she's
Shiny into
and
Liney's.
she is the mystery one. The mystery one is actually not on any flyer because some people.
Wait, I think she's on this one, Isabel. I think she's right over here. See?
Oh yeah, and Shop Kiss, and she is rare. And look, I found a carrot, and her name is Carrie the Carrot. Carrie the Carrot. And her name. You can see. Okay, put it up. And her. Yeah. Mixie the mixer. No. Coffee the coffee stand. Oh, that one? And her name is Brady the purplest, shiniest.
I don't know. I think you guys are making these names up as you go.
Yeah, we are. Yeah.
What?
No, we're not.
Seems like you are.
Yeah, we are. We are.
What's this one?
And this is Mixie the lipstick, and her name is Lipstick Rose Preedle.
You're making this up.
Yeah. Just for fun for you guys. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, okay.
And so we have, and so at the end we have to say, go hit the comment below and give us some answers and tell us what to do next. And maybe next time we'll do what you need us to do.
And maybe not. Right?
No. And here is a bready chocolate.
Bready
Chocolate bread Eddie.
Oh,
Her
you
name's
guys do
Eddie.
like chocolate bread. What's this one?
This one is a cabbage, and it is called Cabby the Cabbage.
Cabby the cabbage.
Lipstick
Larry.
pretzel.
Lipstick pretzel.
And her name is Lipstick pretzel.
Lipstick pretzel.
I need to say
Well,
this
that's
one.
a name.
And her name is Perfume the Purry. No, her name is Diamond Perfume. My name is
What's your name?
Diamond Perfume Roses Crystals. Oh, and here is a chocolate sprinkle cake,
Oh, yum.
as you can see. And her name is
Chocolate circle cake.
Chocolatey the Sprinkle Chocolate, as you can see here. And next is this one, and her name is Swirly. Her name is Bright
Red.
Coke Bottle. Bright Coke Bottle.
Okay, how many do you have left, guys?
We have six left.
All right, open them up.
7.
How about two at a time? Can you open one and you can open one?
8. We have 8 left, actually. And we have,
What's this
here is soap. That is the can of misery. No, her name
one? All right,
is,
the can of misery.
I think I've
and her name is Cabbage the Cabby. Cabbage the Cabby.
Cabbage
And
the cabbage.
this is Soapy the Soapiest Soap.
Soapy the soapiest soap that ever was soap. Is that right?
Very funny, Dad. And her name is Mailbox, the prettiest mailbox.
Yeah, I really do think you guys are making this up as you go.
No, I need that one. And her name is Hot Dog, the prettiest lipstick already.
Who's this?
Strawberry Kiss. It really is Strawberry Kiss. Very bad boy. Good boy, Adam. Let me look on the flyer. Look on the flyer. Her real name is Strawberry Kiss. It really is.
Cool.
It is.
Can you guys
And
open
right
another one?
here is chalk double color.
Double hockey sticks.
As you can see right here. You can only see my hand.
And so her
I'm not
name-
showing. I'm not showing.
And her name is
Tickle fingers?
Strawberry Kiss. Her name's Strawberry.
Did you do that one already?
Yes. And her name is Hot Dog.
Hot dog.
Hot Dog. Well, you have to show her. Show them.
All right.
Because if you don't, then...
What do we tell everyone?
Thanks for joining us.
No,
Hey!
no, I have one more.
Oh, one last
Two
one.
more.
Okay. Two more. Okay, two more.
Here's Toasty the Maker.
Toasty the Maker. What does Toasty the Maker
It's
make?
really big, as you can see. Wow.
What's Toasty the Maker make?
and so
Toast.
here is a shoe, and it's really huge.
It's the last one.
And
I hope. And her name is Chewie.
Chewie?
Popper.
Like is
Chewie
Chewie on
Popper.
Star Wars?
Chewie. I said Chewie. Popper. Chewie Popper. Her name's Chewie Popper. Okay, guys, I hope you like this video. And if you wanna put a different video, if you wanna give us a comment below, do that and tell us what you want to do next time. Bye, guys. Bye, guys.